guys, welcome back to Lady's channel. Today's video is annoyed. But what can I do? Let's find out. Step 1. Think what I learned from this. Step 2. Stretch or do yoga. Step 3. Watch cute or funny animal videos. Step 3. Walk away or count to 10. Step 5. Hit a pillow or squeeze a ball. Step 6. Realize it's okay to have this feeling sometimes. Step 7. Ask for a long time. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.